And fabric softener, I have 2 different kinds, so it's not like, and if you know, the other kind is swivel. So a lot of times, all the things that we need to make something easier for us is already in our house. It's make do with what you got. So if fabric softener can help to eliminate static in clothes, the electricity, then I believe that it would help detangle the hair in the electricity or the struggle of the curls interacting with each other like this, fighting. It should be able to soften the cuticles, relax them, where you're able to comb the child's hair out and kind of have it be tangled free. So I'm going to section cut these hair into 4s. And already some of the curls are already back. Look at this. It's already tangled again. So I'm going to put this section into 4 quadrants with a banana clip. Take time out, you guys, once a week with your children and make sure you comb the center of their hair. That is the